What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop image into a circle in Canva. So if you have any image that you want to put into a circle, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Once you're inside Canva on your blank canvas right here, go ahead and click on elements on the upper left hand side and you simply want to type in frame. Once you type in frame guys, you will see under the frame section, you will find this ones here that look like just a frame. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Choose a circle one or the round one and you can adjust that to the size that you want. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and find that image, whether it's an image that you upload in Canva or it's just something that you want to take from photos. Go ahead and find that. I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, this image right here, and I can just simply drag it onto the circle. So once you drag it, you will see that it's kind of slot right in and you just want to let it go right there. In case you want to adjust it, you just need to double tap and then you have the adjust. So you can go ahead and move the image now to whichever way you want. And that's pretty much it. If you want to make it smaller to get more in the image, you can do that as well, depending on the size of the image and how high or low that image is. You can go ahead and you can make it the way you want. So for example, if I want it like that, or I wanted to make it like that smaller, you see how it actually fits in. Once you done, simple click on done guys, and that's it. Very easy and very simple how to crop image into a circle in Canva. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.